In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Verizon promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google and search for Verizon promo code. Right here, select the website couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some different promo codes and deals that we can use. And for example, we have this one at 50% off. All you have to do is select your coupon code right here and continue to this offer in order to be redirected to the website and the discount will be automatically applied. So this is one website that you can use, for example, but I also recommend this one, which is simply codes.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes. For example, we have right here one with a free gift. All you have to do is select this code and this is our promo code that we can use and copy it right here in order to get that free gift. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.